Hi guys, this is Martin, aka MartinTheVlogger, and this channel is everything about riding, fun and petrol headwatts. And today it is also about this new MTV Manufacturing product. We call it the Turbine, and it's a direct replacement for this, I would say, ugly looking ignition box cover. So what it does, apart from the look, how it is done, to which SPYDER models it will fit, what it needs to be done in terms of installation, and where you can get it, you're about to find in this episode. Now, enough of this. Let's get started. Now, where you can get it, and we will actually start with these 5 color combinations. It's yellow, orange, blue, black, and this premium carbon. It's a hydrofoil wrap. And you can get it on MartinTheVlogger.com/shop, the largest European shop for Can Am SPYDER and Riker aftermarket parts, and the place where you can get MTV Manufacturing products. So my products. How it is done? It's done as a 3D print. I'm using this technology quite a lot because I believe it's a technology of the future. And it took us like 4 or 5 months to get it properly done. And the reason why, I'll tell you in a minute. Now, to which SPYDER models it will fit. It is designed for F3, F3S, F3 Basic, F3 Limited, and RT 2020 Plus. However, because the ignition and the pattern, how you basically look this original cover is the same ever since GS 2008. It will fit to every single SPYDER that is out there. The only thing that you need to double check is this F3 and RT has this plastic underneath of it, a flat. Some GS models and maybe RS and maybe old RT has, you know, this cover situated or positioned position inside of, you know, like in a canyon or something. So this thing, it's the original one, of course. This thing, it's 3 millimeters wider. So this dimension is 3 millimeters wider, which is 0.12 inch. Be careful about that. Nothing that sandpaper cannot do. And also, in respect to the installation and what I'm talking about sandpaper is something that I will attach to the packaging. Why? Because, and why it actually took us 4 or 5 months to get it properly done, it's because this thing is very, very thin. And when we try to copy it one-to-one, it was very, very fragile. Even this one, it's quite fragile, but this, you know, 3D print, it's different technology, and you need to be a little bit careful with that. And so we decided to go a little bit thicker. And what you will need to do, you will need to increase the hole that it's right over here by 1 millimeter, which is 0.04 inch. It's nothing, like 2 minutes of work with the same paper. I will give it to you, and it will work absolutely perfect. Now, what it does, apart from changing the look, and it's designed as a turbine, so to be a little bit sporty, you know, and to remove those ugly pictograms that we really don't need as owners of the SPYDER. And by the way, I have released a video about how to get into your frunk without using key. There have been so many comments about, you know, now the people can come and steal stuff from my frunk. Those people are not watching my videos. That's the first thing, or my first reply. The second reply is, if some thief have you on his radar, what they will do, and I believe they will be mostly junkies, they will come with a screwdriver, they will put a screwdriver there, and if they will see pictograms, it will help them to unlock your frunk. With this, you will remove those ugly pictograms. So one security feature right there, sales pitch. Okay, anyway, so apart from the look, what it now really does is, when I have bought the bike, I did a video back in 2015 about like me spending 26K American dollars on a bike that has really loose plastic right over here. and I have fixed it with twin tape, but ever since then I was, a little bit disappointed. Not a big deal, of course, but when I was doing something new, I wanted to have it done properly. So this thing will help you to remove that looseness quite significantly. So everything is quite tight, and now the thing barely moves. So that's what I like about that. Now guys, thank you very much for watching. Visit MartinTheVlogger.com/shop. Get yourself a new turbine, super cool looking cover for your ignition box. If you are a Patreon, check the community tab on YouTube, because I have posted there a discount code for you in case you would like to guys become a patron and support my channel so I can bring some good content for our community. You can do it by clicking on the join button, and it starts from $1.99, and you will get some exclusive content that is normally locked, plus discounts like this from time to time. And now guys, remember, enjoy the summer, ride safe, and always have fun.